old.
What, Gorillas?
Older TV show.
What, from that song from Gorillas?
Yeah.
I love that song.
Hello.
Finally, someone let me out of the cage.
Yeah, time for me is nothing because I'm in a bag. But yeah, we're microwaving these skittles. I don't want to get copyrighted.
My idea.
Hey, what the frick? No.
Josh.
Okay,
Kane already
let's
ate
go.
one.
I'm gonna pause the video. Y'all come on. All I think is
We're here.
All I think what's gonna happen. It's gonna. I think it's.
so just in case it explodes.
I think it's just gonna melt.
Yeah.
Mine's the same one from yesterday.
Okay, we're gonna put it on for 3 minutes. Psych, we're putting it on for 100 minutes. What?
Sick. 33 hours.
As minutes.
Oh, minutes.
Well, come back in 33 minutes, guys.
Yeah. See ya.
I'm just gonna sit here. Oh, I hear it like crackles.
It is.
I don't
Yeah,
see
do y'all
anything.
see those little like spots?
Oh yeah.
Okay, well, come on,
We'll
guys.
stop it at a minute.
I heard it. It was like a.
We're gonna pause the video and then come back in just a minute. Well, like 33 minutes.
Yeah, come. 33 more minutes to go.
Let's check out. What?
Oh!
They went through. They went through.
Oh my freaking
God, that's a terrible smell. That's a.
Oh!
That is a. That.
Disgusting.
Okay. I did not expect that. Oh my god. Okay, we're gonna clean the microwave. Did y'all expect it to do that?
No.
What'd y'all expect?
Well, actually,
I expected it to like all melt, but I
Because-
didn't think it was gonna go through.
every time we get plastic plates in our family, it melt plastic plates.
I never seen that happen. I never seen Skittles.
Next time we microwave something that isn't supposed to be microwaved, we're checking. After it crackles once, we're taking it out.
Yeah. That
Okay,
was
well,
horrible.
yeah, we just did that. So, see y'all next time. Bye. Yeah, how do you guys? I want you to.
Go to my channel.
frick.
Go to my channel.
I want you to like cover up the camera, and I'm gonna end it. You ready?